Today, I want to discuss a critical element of success, happiness, and personal growth: self-discipline. It is the one quality that separates those who achieve their dreams from those who fall short. Whether your goal is launching a business, excelling in your career, transforming your health, or improving your relationships, self-discipline is the foundation for meaningful progress. Now I know what you're thinking. Self-discipline? It sounds like something you need when you're feeling lazy or when you've fallen off track. Well, here's the truth. Self-discipline is the foundation on which success is built. It's the difference between dreaming about something and actually making it happen. It's the quiet force that pushes you forward when everything else tells you to stop. It's the reason some people make it and others don't. Self-discipline is not about punishment or deprivation. It's the ability to control your impulses, focus on your goals, and take consistent action toward achieving them, even when you don't feel motivated. It's about committing to your aspirations regardless of distractions, temptations, or obstacles. Self-discipline is the quiet force that propels you forward when everything else seems to pull you back. Think of it as a muscle that grows stronger with use. Each time you make a disciplined choice, such as resisting the urge to procrastinate or sticking to your workout routine, you strengthen this muscle. Over time, these small actions accumulate, shaping you into a person who can achieve greatness. Self-discipline is your ability to push yourself to take action regardless of your emotional state. It's about doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. It's about staying committed to your goals despite challenges, temptations, or distractions. It's that inner strength that makes you say, "I can and I will," even when the path seems difficult. Imagine your goal is a tall mountain. At the summit lies your dream life: financial freedom, vibrant health, meaningful relationships, or personal fulfillment. Looking up from the base can feel overwhelming. You may wonder how you'll ever get there. The answer lies in self-discipline. It's the tool that helps you climb that mountain, one small step at a time. Without self-discipline, even the most ambitious plans crumble under the weight of distraction or inertia. You may start strong, filled with excitement and energy, but when motivation wanes, your efforts stall. Self-discipline is what keeps you moving forward during these low points, turning fleeting inspiration into sustained achievement. You're not going to get there with sheer willpower alone. Willpower can only get you so far. But self-discipline, day in and day out, can get you to the top. It's about those small, consistent actions you take, whether it's saying no to the extra hour of sleep to get your workout in, or turning off Netflix to spend time learning something new. Self-discipline is about making the tough decisions that bring you closer to your dreams. One of the most significant aspects of self-discipline is consistency. It's not about making grand gestures or radical changes overnight. Instead, it's about small, deliberate actions repeated over time. This approach is called the compounding effect, which shows how minor daily efforts can yield substantial long-term results. When you commit to small habits that lead you toward your goals, you'll start to see them snowball. Small, positive actions every day create momentum, and momentum is everything. Consider this. Reading 10 pages of a book each day may seem insignificant, but over a year you'll have read 3,650 pages, or about 12 to 15 books. Similarly, choosing to save a small amount of money every week can lead to significant financial growth over time. These consistent choices, grounded in self-discipline, create momentum that propels you toward your goals. The foundation of self-discipline lies in habits. Habits automate your actions, reducing the need for constant decision-making. This automation is particularly valuable when you face moments of weakness or fatigue. By creating routines that align with your goals, you reduce the friction that often derails progress. For instance, if your goal is to exercise regularly, setting a specific time each day for your workouts makes it easier to stay consistent. Preparing your workout clothes the night before removes another potential barrier. Over time, these small habits become ingrained, making disciplined choices feel effortless. Self-discipline begins with your mindset. You must believe in your ability to achieve your goals and view challenges as opportunities for growth. A disciplined mindset reframes obstacles as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. For example, when faced with a setback, a disciplined person doesn't see failure as the end of the road. Instead, they view it as feedback, a chance to adjust their approach and try again. This resilience stems from a belief that progress, not perfection, is the goal. Temptation is the ultimate test of self-discipline. Whether it's the allure of junk food when you're trying to eat healthy, or the pull of social media when you should be working, distractions are everywhere. Overcoming them requires both preparation and perspective. The key to overcoming temptation lies in preparation and perspective. First, minimize exposure to temptations. If you're trying to eat healthier, stock your kitchen with nutritious foods and remove unhealthy snacks. If you want to focus on work, create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. One effective strategy is to remind yourself of the bigger picture. When you're tempted to indulge in short-term gratification, pause and ask yourself, does this choice align with my long-term goals? Often, this moment of reflection is enough to steer you back on track. Another helpful tactic is to minimize exposure to temptation. For instance, if you're trying to reduce screen time, set app limits or create tech-free zones in your home. By removing the temptation, you make it easier to stay disciplined. Finally, practice self-compassion. Slipping up occasionally is natural. What matters is how quickly you recover. Self-discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. Accountability is a powerful tool for strengthening self-discipline. Sharing your goals with someone you trust, whether a friend, mentor, or coach, creates a sense of responsibility. Knowing that someone else is aware of your aspirations can motivate you to stay consistent, even when you're tempted to quit. For example, if you're training for a marathon, having a running partner can make all the difference. On days when you'd rather skip a run, the knowledge that your partner is counting on you can provide the extra push you need. Similarly, joining a group or community aligned with your goals fosters a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. Your mindset plays a pivotal role in your ability to cultivate self-discipline. A growth mindset, the belief that your abilities can be developed through effort, makes it easier to stay disciplined. With this mindset, challenges become opportunities for growth rather than obstacles to success. No journey is without its challenges. Even the most disciplined individuals face setbacks. The key is to view these moments not as failures, but as opportunities to learn and grow. Self-discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about being persistent. When you encounter a setback, take time to reflect. What caused the lapse in discipline? What can you do differently next time? By identifying the root of the issue, you can make adjustments and move forward with renewed determination. Remember, you must learn from setbacks and move past them to achieve your goals. Self-discipline has an amazing ripple effect. One of the most remarkable aspects of self-discipline is its ability to create a ripple effect in your life. When you develop discipline in one area, such as fitness or finances, it often spills over into other areas. For example, committing to a regular workout routine can improve your time management, boost your energy levels, and enhance your overall confidence. This ripple effect stems from the sense of control and self-respect that self-discipline fosters. As you see the results of your efforts, you become more motivated to maintain disciplined behavior across all aspects of your life. Here are 6 practical steps to cultivate self-discipline. Number 1. Set clear goals. Start with a specific, measurable goal. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, aim for, I want to run a 5K in 3 months. Number 2. Break it down. Divide your goal into manageable steps. Each small victory builds momentum, making the larger goal feel more achievable. Number 3. Create a routine. Establish a daily schedule that prioritizes your goals. Consistency is key to building and maintaining self-discipline. Number 4. Reward progress. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small. Positive reinforcement strengthens your commitment. Number 5. Embrace delayed gratification. Practice saying no to short-term pleasures that conflict with your long-term goals. Over time, this becomes easier. Number 6. Learn from mistakes. When you falter, don't dwell on guilt or frustration. Instead, analyze what went wrong and use the experience to improve. And remember, self-discipline isn't reserved for monumental achievements. It's woven into the fabric of daily life. It's in the decision to wake up early, prioritize your health, focus on meaningful work, and nurture your relationships. These seemingly small choices shape your character and determine the quality of your life. Consider how much time we spend on our phones. A disciplined approach to limiting screen time can free up hours each day for meaningful activities, such as pursuing a hobby, learning a new skill, or spending quality time with loved ones. By reclaiming your time, you open the door to greater fulfillment. Self-discipline is very beneficial to your overall personal development, so embrace it. Embracing self-discipline transforms your life in profound ways. You gain control over your actions, build confidence, and create a sense of purpose. You become someone who follows through on commitments, earning the trust and respect of others. Moreover, self-discipline enhances your ability to handle stress and adversity. By cultivating resilience, you're better equipped to navigate life's inevitable challenges. The discipline to stay calm under pressure, adapt to change, and persist through difficulties is invaluable. Without self-discipline, it would be very difficult for you to achieve and maintain your dreams. Self-discipline is the key to unlocking your true potential. Self-discipline is more than just a skill. It's a mindset and a way of life. It empowers you to take charge of your future, turning aspirations into achievements. Every disciplined choice you make brings you closer to the person you want to become. So I challenge you. What will you do today to strengthen your self-discipline? Will you embrace the discomfort of growth, the grind of consistency, and the rewards of perseverance? Remember, self-discipline isn't about perfection. It's about progress. You have the power within you. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as self-discipline transforms not just your goals, but your entire life. Because with self-discipline, there are no limits to what you can achieve. Self-discipline has the power to transform not just your goals, but your entire life. It shapes your character, sharpens your focus, and builds a sense of confidence that nothing else can replicate. It teaches you that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. And as you continue to practice self-discipline, you will discover that the limits you once thought existed were only illusions.